Hi everyone, today we are doing Module 6 of Geometry from VMath Level E. This is Lesson 8, so please turn to page 35 to follow along and take notes. Here are our words for today, adjacent angles. So this is two angles that share a vertex, so they share a common point and a common side and do not overlap. So here's the common vertex right here, and here's the common side. So angle 1 is in blue and angle 2 is in orange. Angles 1 and angle 2, those two angles are adjacent angles. They share a vertex and a common side. A protractor, we've seen this before, but this is the tool that is used to measure the size of an angle in degrees. So a protractor is what we use. You always put the vertex right at that point and line up the zero line either way, and then you can measure your angle. All right, so let's do a little bit of review here. We're going to do some addition first. 35 plus 17 when we start in the ones. 5 plus 7 is 12. Put the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Over here we have 42 plus 48. 2 plus 8 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 4 is 9. Number 3 says the missing angle measure is, so we need to find the missing angle. So if we know these two adjacent angles, 45 and 30, then we need to find this total angle. Well, these two angles together are going to equal this missing angle. So we would do 45 plus 30. We'll line it up over here. And we get 5 and 7, so the missing angle is 75 degrees. So this is 75 degrees, that whole angle. Here we have adjacent angles again, 70 and one we don't know, but we do know the full angle. So that means we would do question mark plus 70 is going to be 120. So we need to go backwards though. Excuse me, this would be, sorry. I didn't see that question mark there. 70 plus the question mark equals 120. So we need to go backwards. We would do 120 minus 70. And then we need to borrow, make that a 0, make that a 12, 50 degrees. So the missing angle right here is 50 because now if we did it, 50 plus 70 equals 120. So here it says, use the protractor to find the measure of the green angle. Well, we have this green angle right here, okay? And we know we don't, this is not lined up on that 0 like we know how to do. But we can figure it out because we know that this whole angle is lined up on the 0 right here. So we can see that this full angle from here to here, here's the 0, and here it is at 100. We know it's 100, not 80, because it's more than 90 degrees. So our full angle is 100 degrees. And then we know from here to here, because again, it's lined up on the 0, and we're going to go to right here, and that is 40 degrees. So 40 plus this mystery angle, question mark, is 100. Let's go backwards. 100 minus 40 equals 60 degrees. So the measure of this green angle right here is 60 degrees. All right, it says find the missing angle measure. Okay, well, this is the big angle. So here we would do 55 plus 35. So 55 plus 35, 10, carry the 1, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90 degrees. So that means the missing angle, the big angle from here to here is 90 degrees. Over here, number 6, we have the big angle. So that means that we know the total is 80 degrees, but question mark plus 60 equals 80. Well, if we do 80, take away 60, we work backwards, we get 20 degrees. So this little missing angle right here is 20 degrees. Here again, we know the big angle is 150 degrees. And we're going to do question mark plus 80 equals 150 degrees. So we got to work backwards again. 150 minus 80. And then we get 70 degrees. So the missing angle is 70. We know because 70 plus 80 equals 150 degrees. And here we have a protractor that we have to figure out. Well, now we can see that this is lined up right here with the arrow. We can see that arrow right there. So we know that the big angle, here's 0, so we're going to go all the way around and it goes to 110 degrees. So the total big angle is 110 degrees. We don't know this angle, but we do know that we can now do this little angle. This is 0, remember, and we're going to go up to here, and we know that it's 50 and not 130 because it's less than 90. So 50, this is 50 degrees plus this question mark equals 110. So we need to go backwards. 110 minus 50 equals, sorry, that should be 11, 60 degrees. So that missing angle is 60 degrees because we know 50 plus 60 equals 110. All right, so find a missing angle measure using symbols. So here is a problem. It says the adjacent angles are two angles that share a vertex and a common side and do not overlap. So here's this angle 40 degrees and the question mark. These two are adjacent angles. Then you're going to write an addition sentence that models the picture. So 40 plus question mark equals the whole big angle of 70. Then it says find the missing number in the addition sentence, so you can subtract, or since sometimes it's a little bit, you could do mental math, you could figure that out. And the missing angle measure is 30, so that means 40 plus missing angle is 30 equals 70. All right, you're going to complete page 37 on your own. Take your time. Good luck.